Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic percentage composition. Percentage composition. Yes, students. So what is the use of the percentage composition? Why you have to use this percentage composition? This topic we are introducing because any compound, think that this is the compound. In this compound, carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. Right. So in this compound, I think either you may this is the methane, ethane, propane, or the glucose, fructose, sucrose, anything. You may anything, right? So in this compound, you want to calculate what is the percentage of carbon in this compound, what is the percentage composition of hydrogen in this compound, what is the percentage composition of oxygen in this compound, right? So that purpose we are introducing and discussing this topic. Whatever the compound is there, either you may take the sugar solution or NaCl salt solution, salt. In that salt, what is the composition of element? What is the composition of element we are discussing here, students? So this is about the percentage composition. Yes, students, understood? Okay, students, let's discuss. So percentage composition give the information about regarding the percentage of particular element present in given compound is required. Percentage composition give the information about regarding the percentage of particular element present in a given compound. It gives the information about the what is the composition of what is the percentage of particular element, percentage of particular element present in given compound. This is the compound. In this compound, the what is the percentage of the carbon, what is the percentage of hydrogen, what is the percentage of oxygen, we are discussing here. So that is the percentage composition of the compound. Right, students? So 1 mole of compound in which 1 mole of compound. 1 mole means the molecular mass, friends. 1 mole means the molecular mass. In that molecular mass of compound, in that 1 mole of compound, what is the percentage of the carbon, what is the percentage of hydrogen, what is the percentage of oxygen? Right, students? We are discussing. So, for example, the 1 mole means the 1 mole of sugar. 1 mole of sugar is the C6H12O6, that is 180 grams. 180 gram, that is 1 mole. 180 gram, that is 1 mole. So in this 1 mole of what sugar, 1 mole of sucrose, in which sucrose contains C6H12O6, right? C6H12O6 are present here. So in 1 mole of sucrose, 1 mole of glucose, C6H12O6 is the glucose formula. 1 mole of glucose, that is 180 gram. So with this 180 gram, what is the percentage of carbon? 6 carbon. What is the percentage of 12 hydrogen? What is the percentage of 6 oxygen atom? That one we are discussing here. Right, students? And it also helps to check the purify the given sample. And this method, the percentage composition, the while we are separating the compound, if we the think that this is one of the compound, AB is the compound. So AB compound we are separate A and B. We are separate. After separating, we want to check that is this compound contain any the how many percentage of A element. In this compound contain how many element of B. Or we may also check in this compound except of A some other other impurities are exist or not in this compound, except of B, some other impurities are present or not. This all those things we are going to check in this percentage composition. Right, students? So formula of percentage composition, students: number of atom in a sample into atomic mass. Number of atom in a sample into atomic mass whole divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. Number of atoms in a sample into atomic mass whole divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. These are formula, students. So let's discuss the first example. Calculate the percentage composition of hydrogen, oxygen in H2O. H2O in H2O. H2O considered as the H2O is the 100%. 1 mole of H2O, that is 18 gram. So this 1 mole of H2O is the 100%. 100%. So if it is 100% means if it is 100% means what is the percentage composition of 2 moles of hydrogen? What is the percentage composition of 1 oxygen atom? So we are going to discuss here. And molar mass of H2O is 18 gram. Molar mass of H2O is 18 gram. So first, students, percentage of hydrogen is equal to number of atoms in a sample, or you may write number of hydrogen atom in a sample into atomic mass. If you are calculating the hydrogen means use here hydrogen only. Hydrogen atom in a sample, or atomic mass of, or you may write here hydrogen atomic mass. Hydrogen atomic mass. So molar mass of the compound. Compound is the water molecules. Right, students? How many hydrogen atoms are present here? 2. So I will write here 2. Atomic mass is 1. Molar mass of compound is 18 into 100, 100. Then you calculate, you got the percentage of hydrogen is 11.18 percentage. The percentage of hydrogen is 11.18 percentage. Understood, students? Let's see the next example. What is the percentage of oxygen? Percentage of oxygen is equal to number of, right here, oxygen atom in a sample, or oxygen atomic mass, or right, atomic mass of oxygen atomic mass. So how many oxygens are exist here, students? Only one oxygen atom. H2O contain only one oxygen atom. Atomic mass is 60. Molar mass of compound is 18 into 100 as it is. So 88.79%. So we want to check. So this compound purify or not? Purify means is it 100% or not? Let's check. Hydrogen, oxygen. Hydrogen is 11.18 percentage. Oxygen is 88.79 percentage. Right, students? Then you got the answer. So that is the 9.99, right? So 99.79, that is approximately equal to 100% right, students. So it means the hydrogen oxygen is purified. So what are the water molecules we are using? The 10%, water molecules. That water molecules completely purified compound. Completely is purified compound, that is 100%. Right, students? Okay, next, second example. Calculate the percentage composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in C2H5OH. Molecular formula C2H5OH. Carbon 2 time atomic mass 12, hydrogen 5 time atomic mass 1, oxygen 1 time atomic mass 16, hydrogen 1 time atomic mass 1. So total is 46 is the molecular mass of C2H5OH. So percentage of carbon, number of carbon atom into atomic mass of carbon whole divided by molecular mass into 100. So number of carbon, how many carbon atoms are there? Two carbons. Atomic mass of carbon 12. 12 atomic mass, each carbon atomic mass is 12. That is molecular mass is 46. Then you got 56% of carbon. Right, students? Similarly, percentage of hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom into atomic mass of hydrogen atom into 100 whole divided by molecular mass. So how many hydrogen atoms are present here, students? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 hydrogen atom, and atomic mass of hydrogen, we know that 1, 1. So that is 1. We are multiplying. Molecular mass is 46. This 46 are substituted as a 46 in place of molecular mass. You may write here molecular mass or molar mass. Both are correct, students. Don't be confused here. Molecular mass or molar mass, both are same. Both are correct. Into 100, that is 13.13%. Right, students? And the next is the percentage of oxygen atom. First we calculate how many oxygen atoms. One oxygen atom is present in this formula. Only one oxygen atom. So number of oxygen atom into atomic mass whole divided by molecular mass, or you may write molar mass. Right, students? Into 100. So how many oxygen atom is? One oxygen atom. So we are writing here one oxygen. Atomic mass is 16. This is a constant value. 16 divided by molar mass into 100. And the percentage is 34.7. So this is the percentage of carbon, 52.14. Percentage of hydrogen, 13.13. Percentage of oxygen, 34.7. Just to calculate, in C2H5H, the carbon percentage 52.14. Hydrogen percentage 13.13. Oxygen percentage 34.7. Right, 7411. 0. It is 100%. 100%. So it is 100%. There is no impurities exist in this C2H5OH. Completely pure impurities. Pure compound is present. So one more example, students. Calculate the percentage composition of calcium carbonate. So molecular mass. First you have to calculate molecular mass. Molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Calcium 1 atom. Atomic mass 40. Calcium atomic mass 40. Carbon how many atoms? 1 time. Atomic mass of carbon 12. Oxygen how many atoms? 3 atoms. Atomic mass 16. 40, 12, 48. Total is 100 molecular mass. 100 molecular mass. So first one, students, percentage of calcium, number of carbon atom into atomic mass into 100 by molecular mass. So how many calcium? 1 calcium atom. Atomic mass of calcium is 40. 1 into 40. That is 1 into 40. 100. 100 cancel again 40%. Yes, students. Next, percentage of carbon. 1 carbon, number of carbon atom into atomic mass of carbon into 100 by molecular mass. Yes, students. So How many carbon atoms are present here? One carbon. One carbon. Atomic mass is 12. 12. 100 get cancelled. 12%. Next, students, the percentage of oxygen. How many? Okay. Number of oxygen atom into atomic mass of oxygen. 100 whole divided by molecular mass. So, how many oxygen atoms are present here? 3. So, oxygen atom is 3. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So, 16 atomic mass of oxygen is a constant value into 100. 100 get cancelled, we got 48%. Let's check the second point. Is it purity or not? Calcium, carbon, oh, calcium percentage, students, 40%, hydrogen 12%, sorry, carbon 12%, oxygen 48%. So we got the answer is right, the 100%. So this 100% indicate that whatever second point we have discussed now also help to check the purify of the given sample. So it is 100% purified. It is also 100% purified. This one is 100% purified. Yes, friends. I hope you understood the percentage composition. If you find out, then ask me. Okay. Thank you.